So how do you format JSON in Visual Studio? So if you have a JSON file in your Visual Studio project, all you need to do is open up that file, and then you want to go to the edit menu from the top here. Now go down to advanced, which is this one, and then you want to look for format document option. It should be in this menu, which is this one at the beginning right here. You can click on format document, or you can use the shortcut hotkey, which is Control plus K, Control plus D. And if you click on it, it should basically recognize the file and format it. So for example, I'm going to try to make them unformatted so I can see that it's working. For example, I can put these in the same line like this, and then add some spaces here, and then go to edit, and then advanced and format document. And as you can see, it formatted the document, the entire document. And that's pretty much it for this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and see you on the next one.